Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to use the Sentiment Trader's Backtest Engine version 2.0 to recreate the backtest of a fear and greed model, following the detailed steps from our senior analyst Jason Goepfert in his recent article titled "What Happens When Greed Retreats." According to Jason's article, Sentiment Trader's new backtest engine allows us to test some hypotheses, such as replicating the performance of the fear and greed model, observing how different stocks or indexes behave after sentiment changes, and even devising realistic trading strategies to better understand the market's dynamics and risks. Now, let's follow the steps in the article to set up our backtest. First, we need to click on the With Backtest Engine version 2.0 button on the Fear and Greed chart to access the new version of the backtest engine. Alternatively, we can also find the Backtest Edge under the My Services drop-down menu at the top. When the engine loads, change the symbol to SPY. Then, to make the test more realistic for real-time trading, change the trade price to Next Open and the direction to Short. This means we will short SPY at the next day's open when the entry conditions are met. After that, you have the option to either customize the name of your backtest or keep the default option provided. To enter the trade, we will require greed to become exceptional and start pulling back. To accomplish this, select Time Order Multi-Condition. Go to Condition 1 to enter the first entry condition. Click on the Type drop-down menu and choose Sentiment Indicator. Then, move to the Indicator drop-down menu, search for, and select the Fear and Greed model, then choose Cross Above and enter 89.9. This setting means that Condition 1 happens first and then the Condition 2 occurs. Click the Condition 2 tab, and again select the Fear and Greed model. However, this time, we will choose Cross Below 70 for the second entry threshold, as we'll exit either when greed is gone or until it rebounds and becomes optimistic again. To accomplish this, in the Exit Criteria area, select Same Bar Multi-Condition and change the score to 1. Changing the score to 1 means that the trade will exit if the first condition or the second condition triggers. For Condition 1, select Fear and Greed model as the indicator and cross below 45. That will exit the short position when greed drops a bit below average. As a type of stop loss, select the Condition 2 tab and then exit if Fear and Greed model rebounds to cross above 80. Once that's all set, hit the Run Backtest button to start the analysis. After it completes, you'll automatically be taken to the Results tab, showcasing the outcomes. In the Summary tab, you'll find an overview of the backtest results. The Trades tab will give you detailed information on each trade. And if you're interested in seeing trade outcomes for various exit times, check out the Exit with Default Time in Market tab. You can also visualize and interpret all this data with the help of various charts. You have learned how to use the backtest engine to recreate the backtest of a fear and greed model. This is a powerful tool that can help you improve your trading skills. I encourage you to try it out for yourself and see what you can discover. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or feedback, please reach out to us at admin@sentimenttrader.com.